Thanks so much for staying with us, taking a live look outside on the CorwinAuto.com Valley Skycam. Part of the Storm Team Skycam network, we continue to see what we've seen for much of the day. Lots of clouds and a bit of rain still falling here in the Fargo-Moorhead area. 68 degrees, winds out of the north at 8 miles per hour. Temperatures elsewhere mostly into the 60s, but we've seen a little bit of at least filtered sunshine in the northwestern counties. That's allowed temperatures to warm on up into the 70s. Northerly breezes out there. They'll subside just a touch tonight and pick up again as we head through the day tomorrow. 10 to 20 miles per hour with some occasional stronger gusts. Lots of clouds, but again, much thinner clouds in the Devil's Lake Basin. Underneath these clouds, quite a bit of rain. It's slowly eroding from northwest to southeast, and it will continue to do so across the Southern Valley. Again, Lemoore, Lisbon area starting to clear on out in terms of the rain. We're going to stay socked in with the clouds for quite some time. Lidgerwood, Hankinson still seeing some downpours and quite a stretch of rain. A line from Bemidji down through the Detroit Lakes area over towards Fergus Falls, and in that area where you're seeing the yellows and even some orange, some briefly moderate to perhaps even briefly heavy rain, and the rain continues to slacken up in northern portions of Minnesota. Across the northern plains, we've got some showers and some thunderstorms out there, and the one tornado warning just northwest of the Mankato area that actually has a confirmed tornado with it moving off towards the north at 25 miles per hour. For us, not going to have to deal with any severe type weather. It's just too stable in our part of the region. Southern Plains, severe thunderstorm watch in effect for parts of Kansas, Missouri, and Oklahoma, and numerous severe thunderstorm warnings ongoing into that area. For us, as we head through the rest of the evening into tonight, this rain area, it's going to take its time getting on out of here, but eventually it will get on out of here. That low responsible for that will slide off towards the east. By tomorrow morning, could see some fog up in the northern valley. The rest of us, some partly to mostly cloudy skies, and we'll clear on out briefly in the eastern counties, but maybe some isolated sprinkles with some clouds there. We're going to warm up into the 70s in most areas, some low 80s in our western counties for highs. Here in Fargo, we're going to start off the day in the upper 50s, and by lunchtime, we're going to warm it on up into the low 70s. And as we head through the latter portion of the day, we're going to warm it up. We're going to get close to 80, much warmer than today with some breezy north winds. Picture of the day. It's a bird's eye view of Fargo. Thanks to Kurt for sending that in. Going to use that as the backdrop to our 7-day forecast. Tomorrow, a nicer day with temperatures in the upper 70s. A bit warmer on Friday, some late day storms. Quiet Saturday, a chance for a little bit of rain on Sunday. And right now, the eclipse looking decent. Best chance for rain, a slight one, will be in the morning. That's another look at your weather. Let's get another look at that Cashwise Backyard Barbecue with Hutch Johnson out in Felton, Minnesota.
Robert, thanks so much. Tim from Cashwise is joining me now. I got to tell you, you brought all the fixins again. Everybody's busy eating. Job well done. What does Cashwise have if we want to do some grilling of our own this week?
Well, it's Rib Fest at Cashwise this week, so we have all kinds of ribs on sale, different varieties, great on the grill, great on the smoker. Stop in for that. Plus, it's our locally grown produce sale going on right now.
Produce?
Produce, yep.
All right.
All kinds of items from the area. So.
Okay, very good. Well, I'll tell you what, we're having a great time here. We're just getting a taste of this. I got to ask everybody, how are the Cashwise Backyard Barbecue steaks?
Awesome.
All right, yeah, there's a lot of thumbs up going on. I got one waiting for me over here, so I'll get to that and let you know a little later how that's going. But for now, we'll toss it back to you, Christine, in the studio.
All right. Thank you, Hutch.